Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Gross domestic product has specific limits for your exam. Let's quickly break down why certain economic activities are excluded from this calculation.
First, remember that GDP measures the market value of all final goods and services produced within a country. It focuses strictly on formal market transactions that happen during a specific year. A major limitation is that non-market activities like home production or illegal sales are totally ignored. This means the data misses a huge chunk of real economic value and productive work.
Option A is wrong because used goods were counted when new. Only market transactions are included, making option C the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush, watch signs, trust given data, and check your steps carefully.